Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we'd just like to wish everyone out there a huge happy new year, and we're really looking forward to the year that's going to come. So over last year we had a really successful year and we had lots of suggestions from you guys. So you're probably thinking, what's coming up? Well, we've got lots of ideas and lots of videos, and some of the things that we're going to incorporate are we're going to look at garlands, we're going to look at maybe doing an arch, we're going to do Flower Girl pomanders. We want to revisit the hand tie because our hand tie video was done right back when we first started, and I think because we've developed how we do our camera work and the general production value, I think we could revisit that and do that to a better level. So we're going to look at a basic standard hand tie. We're wanting to look at a presentation style bouquet as well, because that's something that you would give for an award ceremony or for giving in front of an audience of people. And we want to look at maybe some floor standing designs. So we've got lots of suggestions and lots of different ideas to come. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and keep watching to see what's going to come up.